Hello friends, it's Vanna here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. First of all, I'll let you know about myself. I'm a PT and Nati trainer. I'm teaching from last 3 years. So if you need individualized coaching sessions and exam oriented material, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is 0406 599 489, or you can simply drop an email at bv06feb@gmail.com. Alright, so today I'm going to discuss about the differences between IELTS essay writing and PT essay writing. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you need to understand in IELTS there are 5 types of essay, like opinion essays, advantage, disadvantage, or problem solution essays. There are double question essays. So there are 5 types of essay, whereas in PT type does not matter. You can simply follow a template and just can write your essay. I will give you that template in the description. So IELTS give you option to do paper based test or computer based test, whereas in PT you have only one option. You have to type. Okay, here you can opt paper based test. First difference. So, and second, IELTS you get 40 minutes to write an essay, whereas in PT you get 20 minutes to write an essay. In 40 minutes you have to write minimum 250 words, but there is no maximum limit. But in PT, you have minimum limit 200 words and maximum 300 words. IELTS essays are always considered as a complex task. Many students struggle a lot to get their desired score in IELTS essay because it has a lot of requirements such as task response, that you have addressed all the points which have been asked from you in the question. Grammar, you have to write the mixture of simple, complex sentences. Vocabulary means wide range of vocabulary, wide range of words you are using. And cohesive and coherence means that your ideas are connected from the introduction to conclusion. These are the requirements which are needed to write an IELTS essay. So students struggle because it is a complex area. You have to prepare for 5 types of essays. Alright, whereas in PT type does not matter, as I already told you, and it is very simple. There is no requirement as such. You have to mention all the ideas which have been asked in the question, and you can use simple grammar. There is no need to use complex grammar. You don't need to use a wide range of vocabulary words. You can use simple words. Just it should be related to the question prompt. And cohesive and coherence does not matter as it matters in IELTS essay writing. Okay, so these are the basic differences. So as of now you have understood the differences between PT essay writing and IELTS essay writing. So from now onwards I will be discussing one essay every day, PT only, because I am not an IELTS coach. So I will discuss an essay with ideas, with example. You just need to fit those ideas in the given template. Okay, so this way we will cover 15 essays which are very important for your PT exam. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe and share this video so that you don't miss any lesson which are going to be very important and useful for you if you are preparing for PT exam. Thank you so much.